Want to know how to activate Boo Infinity? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm just going to show you some basic steps on how you can easily activate Boo Infinity on your phone so that you can easily get the premium access to the Boo application. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Boo application and make sure you are logged in as well. So if you have also created a video on how to log in or sign up to Boo, so make sure to watch it. So once you have done all of that, you should be provided with this interface right here. So on the top left side, you should be seeing this hamburger icon right here, the three hamburger icon, just simply select it. And now here at first you should be seeing your activate Boo Infinity with your current users and its features as well. So you can just simply select activate Boo Infinity right here, and once that is done, you can just simply see lifetime for 200, 12 month for 100, and what's more, you can just simply select any one of these, select continue, and you can also compare your prices by selecting compare right here. And once that is done, you can just simply process with payments and your Boo Infinity should be activated easily. This contains various features that Boo doesn't have in its free version. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.